Welcome, Wildcats. All right, so today is Monday, January 16th, 2017. There's no school because we're celebrating the life of Martin Luther King Jr. Now, in thinking of that, when making a video, I thought, man, I have this book here, okay, and I think I brought it up before, but I'm bringing it up again because it's so powerful to me, okay. In Temple, okay, back in the 60s, our school was segregated, unfortunately, okay. Very, very sad time for not only Temple, but the rest of the United States. Well, I just so happened to come upon a book here. It's called Representative American Speeches, 1963 to 1964. Well, as you can see here, that this book came from Meredith Dunbar. Okay, that was a segregated school. Okay, well, upon looking at it more, I was like, wow, this book came from a segregated school. I thought that was very powerful. But it gets more powerful. This book was actually checked out on three times actually in 1964. Okay, now if I'm correct on my history, that means that the people reading this book were reading this book in a segregated school. Okay, well, just so happens that on page 43, it has Martin Luther King's call to a conscience. I have a dream in it. So if you think about the historical relevance of this, a student in a segregated school was reading about Martin Luther King Jr.'s dream and dreaming about it. It hadn't come true yet. I mean, we take that for granted that, that our schools are not segregated and that, in fact, Temple, we flourish. We have I would think, every race and ethnicity represented here. And not just represented, they're in our theater departments doing powerful plays in our athletic program, just being, we are so unsegregated that it's unreal, but it's powerful that we went from there to where we are now, and that's something to appreciate and be grateful for. That how cool it is that someone had a dream, the dreams come true, and so now if someone were reading this book today, that dream came true. So. If you happen to be that person that check that book out on December 7th or November 24th, November 17th, I'd love to meet you, and that'd be a great conversation to have. So with that, take some time, read about Martin Luther King Jr. And appreciate the day that we appreciate him. So with that, have a terrific Wildcat day.